Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. Listen, as a health and wellness coach, anytime we start working with a client on a health and wellness journey, whether it be weight loss, stress management, whatever it is, we really always emphasize all the aspects of life, not just diet and exercise. We talk about lifestyle and mindset because this evidence tells us that what's in your head is just as important as what you put on your plate. So we always want to work with our clients on building healthy habits. And this is just about being in the right frame of mind as much as it is about figuring out how to be active and what are healthy things to eat. So the way that you think about yourself and your weight loss journey and your health and wellness journey matters. So as health and wellness coaches, we always are working with our clients to help them become more aware of their thoughts and their feelings and their actions, and really being accepting of yourself and who you are now, and thinking realistically with the big picture in mind. Okay, this is something that's going to really help you take the steps needed to reach the goals that you're working on today, no matter what comes your way. We want to always work with you on developing a helpful mindset, okay? You know, doing this is not just an outcome to strive for. The research tells us that it actually impacts and facilitates the choices that we make and the actions that we take. So basically, what we think affects how we feel and ultimately dictates what we do. So whenever we're working with our clients, we're working on strengthening how we define ourselves, how we see ourselves, how we believe in our ability to succeed and achieve the outcomes and goals that we've set for ourselves. With this in mind, I just want to reiterate that for those of you who maybe have struggled in the past, to just kind of give this some thought about your mindset and how the thoughts that you have come into play when you ultimately end up giving up. I think it's important to recognize that anytime we're on a health and wellness journey and we've set some goals and we want to move towards better health, weight loss, whatever it is, we need to expect that there's going to be slip-ups, there's going to be setbacks, and it's going to really come down to the self-compassion and the way that you talk to yourself in that moment. If you can turn that around and reframe it into a learning opportunity as opposed to seeing it as a failure, I think that you'll find that very useful in helping you to continue to move forward and turn the page and welcome a new day as a fresh start, and look back on that slip up as an opportunity to learn and really focus on the progress that you've made as opposed to the slip up along the way. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day, make it a great day. To learn more about health coaching and the process, you can find out more at friscofitcity.com, and you can certainly contact me there through the website. If you work with me, or whether you work with me or another health coach, or if finances are an issue for you, please reach out to me. I would love to put you in touch with some resources in your area, especially if you are at risk, if you're pre-diabetic, at risk for developing type 2 diabetes and or suffering from a chronic condition. Let's get you set up for success so that you can make some healthier choices and help you live a quality of life for the rest of your years. That really, truly is my mission and passion for doing this podcast and putting this information out there. Thank you all. Have a great day.